Hello again guys, and thanks for joining me for another taste test video. So today I'm sampling our cigar of the week, which is the E.P. Carrillo Oscuro Piramides. So this is a very interesting cigar indeed actually, very classy looking, nice shiny gold band and a beautiful dark wrapper, torpedo head to it as well, definitely a very visually appealing cigar. But the flavours are what make it interesting. So give you a bit of background, this was rated 94 out of 100 in Cigar Aficionado magazine and came in at number 4 spot in the top cigars of 2016, so it's very highly acclaimed. It's got a nice selection of tobaccos, so you've got Nicaraguan filler, a Mexican binder and an Ecuadorian wrapper. So there's a lot of different tobaccos used in it to create a very sort of nuanced flavour to it. So what I've found interesting about this compared to other cigars is that the sort of accents and little special parts of the flavours present themselves to your palate immediately rather than on the finish. So usually I get the body and that sort of fades into these nuances and delicate touches to it. But with this, you get them straight away and then that fades into the body of the cigar. I'd imagine for me it's probably because the wrapper is Ecuadorian, the binder is Mexican, and then the filler is Nicaraguan. So you instantly get those other flavours that are sort of unique from the wrapper, and they hit the palate first from the lips, and also just sort of immediately on the smoke. So that's what gives it this sort of uniqueness. So the flavours I get, initially you get sort of a butterscotchy, vanilla-y, almost shortbready type flavour, and then that fades into the body of your sort of woody Nicaraguan flavours, coffee, those sort of deeper flavours. It's very interesting. Some other flavours, they sort of peak and then fade off. So it's almost like there's a sort of summer fruity flavour as well, maybe cherries, raspberry type flavour. And like I said, they are all initially on the palate and then fade away. Very, very interesting indeed, actually. But yeah, head to cigars.com, that's cigars.com. I'm sure you'll like to try one as much as I do. I've really enjoyed it. So I'm going to sit back and finish this. But yeah, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section if there's anything you think should feature as our cigar of the week next. Cheers.